So these are the things I wish I knew before attending my first ENA K-pop show. First of all, you don't have to be super lucky if you have money. Whoever said money can't buy happiness clearly doesn't know that you can buy tickets to these shows. And I specifically got it on Crazy. So that's also where I got the SBS Inkigayo package. Seoul City Tour in the morning. Pero you can skip that and just head straight to the music show if you want. Who gets yung mga free access or yung mga nauuna sa pila? Those are actually like parts of the fan cafes. Usually ng main artist, and then depende kasi kung ilang slots. Parang I think depende siya sa artist kung ilan yung in-allot for them or kinuha nila. So for example, in this case, karamihan ng audience or yung mga barricade is Kang Daniel fans. Which brings me to maliit lang yung pit nito. And yes, everybody goes to the pit. Wala na yung mga nakaupo. Unlike sa Inkigayo where mayroong seated part and nakaupo kami throughout the show. In this case, nandun kami sa pit. Maliit lang siya. I don't know, like, siguro 300 to 500 people at most yun. Kung i-estimate ko. And then, ang lapit sa stage. So, yun yung pinakasulit na part doon. Ang lapit niya sa stage, kitang-kita mo yung artist and lahat ng performances. Ganyan. And, ang maganda is, buo yung mga performances. Which means also, you need to have comfortable shoes. If you want, pwede ka magbaon ng mga platform shoes, ganyan, para mas makita mo yung mga artist. Kasi girl, matangkad ang mga Korean, mga kalaban sa barricade, matangkad sila. At saka minsan, like, may mga foreigners din na based in Korea na mag-attend na show, ganyan. Ang tatangkad nila lahat, girl. Parang ako na yung pinakamaliit doon and then just a few other girls. So, ang ginawa ko, dahil wala akong panlaban na platform shoes, doon lang ako sa gitna or sa likod. Kasi pag nangangawit na yung likod, girl, kailangan magpahinga na. So, either, as in, nag-indian sit ako sa floor, o kaya humang out ako dun sa barricade sa likod, ganyan. Ang pinaka-advantage nun is, dumadaan yung hosts dun sa likod. And then, some artists din yata dumadaan dun sa likod ng barricade. Meaning, if kilala nyo sila, unfortunately, hindi ko kilala kasi mga 5th gen na. Sorry, tita na. Pwede kang magka-fan interactions, ganyan. So, pag dumadaan sila, nakikita ko may mga nag-hi sa kanila. Yan, nag-interact din sila, nagte-thank you, ganyan. So, maganda siya if you know the host and if you're gonna go specifically to get fan interactions with the host. Ang isa pang thing to note is, may 2 parts yung recording. If you get the ENA K-pop package dun sa Crazy, you can get to watch the whole show. So, ang mangyari is, after the first part, papalabasin kayo, hahanapin yung wristband nyo. It's a certain wristband color. I think pink. Pag pink, papastay kayo behind and then babalik kayo pag it's time to restart the show. Pag iba yung color ng band nyo or like, if ayaw nyo ang tapusin yung show, like me, kasi kailangan ko nang pumunta sa isang recording pa. Bababa na kayo after. Bababa. Dahil dyan, nag-flashback sa akin, 5 floor siya na kailangan nyo mag-stairs. Siyempre, maraming audience, so hindi pwedeng mag-elevator lahat. So, yeah, no choice kundi mag-stairs. I-expect nyo na yun. Well, dapat naman talaga, pag magkukurya kayo, i-training nyo na yung paa nyo na, at stamina nyo na mag-stairs at mag-hiking talaga siya. Pero yun, expect nyo na siya if you're gonna go to this show. To book or not to book, yes, go. If andun yung favorite yung artist, magpe-perform, part ng lineup, which they usually announce like a week before the show, go na, i-book nyo na. Kasi super sulit siya. And then usually, they get, nagsisil si Tracy. So, abangan nyo yun. You can check out dun sa link 3 ko. So, abangan nyo na lang. If in-announce na nandun yung artist nyo, you can reserve right away. Or if like flexible yung plans nyo, ganyan, abangan nyo na lang during your trip to Korea kung sino yung magiging lineup. And yeah, aside from ENA K-pop, yun nga, pwede nyo kayong mag-SBS Inkigayo. Hindi ko sure kung may iba pang show. Tignan natin. Tignan natin kung may iba pa. Pero yeah, yun yung dalawang na-try ko na sa Tracy. Must recommend. Book it. Even the Seoul City Tour in the morning, okay siya. Especially if you're a first-timer. So, okay siya if hindi mo pa na-explore yung places na yun. Yung napuntahan ko before was in Sadong area. Pwede nyo siyang i-check out. And then, if not, skip nyo na lang yung day tour and then head straight to the recording studio. Oh, yung recording studio nitong si ENA K-pop is in Goyang. Yung papala, kailangan nyo yon i-consider. Kasi yung travel time going to Goyang is like 1 hour from Seoul. 1 or 2 hours. Depende kung kayo nagsistay. So, kailangan alatan nyo rin siya ng time. And then, if nagmamadali na, pwede kayong mag-taxi. I think it costs around 1.5 if ever. Pero pag commute, mura lang. Like, the usual bus fare. Ayan. Pwede rin mag-subway. So, yon. If you're thinking and if you want sure way na makita ng K-pop idols and your idol will be part of the show, check out Trazy, buy a package there. Annyeong! Let me know if you have questions. I can answer them in the comments. Annyeong!